You're exhausted from screens all day, so put your phone aside. This is just my voice. Close your eyes and step into this strange new reality. All the visuals will appear inside your mind. Imagine a world where your stomach never growls, where hunger is just a forgotten word. What if humans no longer needed food to survive? No plates, no cooking, no eating, no farming. Just endless energy flowing through your body without a single bite. Picture waking up tomorrow morning. You don't need breakfast. The kitchen is silent. There's no rush to brew coffee or cook eggs because your body runs on pure energy. Imagine walking into the streets. No restaurants, no cafes, no supermarkets. Shelves are empty, but nobody is hungry. Meals vanish from your schedule. Suddenly, humans gain hours of free time every day. Think about it. How much of your life is spent preparing, eating, and cleaning after food? Now, all that time is yours. But life isn't just about filling the stomach. It's about culture. Without food, entire traditions collapse. No more family dinners. No festivals with feasts. No recipes passed down for generations. Restaurants? They disappear overnight. Farms and markets vanish. Millions of jobs gone. Economies shaken. At first, the world feels empty. Because food was never just fuel. It was a language of love, memory, and connection. And yet, this strange world has benefits. Famine? Gone forever. No child would starve. No war over food or water. Obesity and malnutrition? Solved instantly. The earth itself breathes easier. Billions of acres of farmland return to forests. Rivers run clean. Animals roam free again. The planet heals, while humans live lighter, no longer chained to eating. But something is missing. You never taste sweetness again. You never smell bread baking or feel the comfort of sharing a warm meal with someone you love. Yes, survival without food sounds perfect. But would life still feel human? Maybe hunger wasn't just a weakness. Maybe it was the very thing that tied us to nature, to each other, to being alive.